Hi everyone, welcome to JS and RS Solution YouTube channel. Today is the fifth tutorial of ENVI series. In this tutorial you will learn about how to do layer stacking and clipping or subset of your image file. However, if you want to learn ENVI from the opening ENVI software to image classification process, then you can subscribe this channel. Besides that, you will learn many operations of ArcGIS, QGIS, TraceSet software from this channel. Anyway, let's get started today's tutorial on layer stacking and image subset in ENVI. Start ENVI. Click open. Data. Here I will use Landsat 8 data. I'm selecting band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6 and band 7. Then click open. So you can see here all bands are added here. Then go to toolbox, write layer stacking and click on layer stacking. A window is appear and you can see here UTM as map projection. Selected files for layer stacking, go to import file. Select input files. I am selecting all the files. Click OK. Then selected files for layer stacking. Output map projections as UTM, datum, unit, meters, zone 46 north and pixel size 30 meters. And resampling method as nearest neighbor. This is the recorder files. Output file range and output result to enter output file name. Choose the folder where you want to save your output file. And I am creating a new folder and I named it output. I am giving it a name, layer stacking. Click open and click OK. So you can see here layer stacking has done. Go to data manager. So this is my output file, layer stacking. So this file is not needed right now. So I am deleting this individual bands. I am just keeping layer stacking, which is the output. So I'm just selecting band 432, which is natural color, load data. I'm just increasing the brightness of this image. Go to open and select your shapefile of your study area. Click open. And here is my shapefile area. Go to toolbox and write subset. Click to subset. Select input file. So here is layer stacking is my input file. This file I will subset according to shapefile. Select input ROI. So I am selecting my shapefile. That means my study area. Max pixels output of RY and choose the folder where you want to save your output file. So I am going to give it a name, studio area. Click open and then click OK. So you can see here my study area has been extracted from the total image. Go to data manager. Here is my study area. Now I am going to give it a color, 432, which is the natural color, load data. So here is my subset, my study area that I have extracted from the layer stacking image. So I hope you have learned about layer stacking and subset process. I will upload a video tomorrow about atmospheric correction using flash in ENVI. Till then, stay safe and happy.